Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and replace in your beautiful ArcGIS desktop. So for my case, I have this is my line vector, which are roads. So I'll show you how to find and replace values. So let us look at our open attribute table here. So I want to replace, for instance, I have NA values. All these NA values I want to replace in a single expression function to 0. So how do you do it? Make sure the first things first, your layer needs to be in editing mode. So in ArcGIS, how do you put it? You just go to editor, start editing. So after being in editing mode, that means here you see road condition and paved, it's an editing mode. Then right click, then open attribute table. So by opening attribute table, let us go straight on the left here, find and replace, just like Microsoft Word. So by clicking this, you need to search. Now find what? N/A. Now search where now? I want down all of this, okay? Then replace. Now replace, you search here. You see, down, up, all, but text part, this is the most important part, the wool field. If you can be start, I'll select wool field, but replace with 0. So you need to say those fields. For my case, starts from here. Make sure you hold your control. Yes, this. Don't lose out your control button until all values for that attribute table you want them to be selected. So I'm just holding my control button until I have all those fields. Yeah, let's take it slow. Yes, because it's a automated way. You can imagine if you're doing it manually by pressing 0 here. So I'm showing you just using find and replace function. Okay. Wow, there are many. Let us do it. Yes, almost there. Now, so by clicking replace all, voila, 0. See, you have a beautiful attribute table with 0 and A is equal to 0. So this is the way of doing it in a more professional way. See, and interesting way. See how good it is? So that's it. So this is the way of doing it. So thank you. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.